Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back students in your mathematics online class. Today I am going to start the new exercise, that is exercise 22F. So I have taken some questions from this exercise. Let's start. This is question number 1. Find the area of circle whose diameter is 2 whole number 4 by 5 meter. So diameter is given, what, 5 to the 10, 10 plus 4, 14. This is diameter. Now first we find out the radius to find out the area of a circle. So radius is equals to, we all know that radius is half of diameter, so we divide it by 2. So here we get the radius 14 by 10 meters. Now we'll find the area of a circle. Area of circle is equals to pi r square. Pi 22 by 7 and r is 14 by 10 square. So 22 by 7 into 14 by 10 into 14 by 10. On simplification, you get the answer 6 whole number 4 by 25. I hope you can simplify this equation. So this is in meter square. Next question, question number 4. Find the diameter of the circle whose area is this, and we have to take the value of pi as 3.14. What is given? Area is given and we have to find the diameter. So area of a circle is equals to pi r square. 254.34 is equals to 3.14, and we have to find the value of r. Now we transfer 3.14 this side. When you simplify this, you get the answer here 81. Now we apply square root here. So the square root of 81 is 9 and square root of r square would be r. So we get the value of r 9 centimeters. Next question, question number 5, second part. The area of a circle is 15,400 meters square. Find its circumference. To find the circumference of a circle, first we find out the radius of a circle. So what is given? Area of a circle is given. So area of circle is equals to pi r square, and area is given pi r square. Now here we put the value of pi 22 by 7. 15400 is equals to 22 by 7 into r square. So on cross multiplication, when we transfer this 22 by 7, we'll get this equation. And on simplification, 2 7 times, 2 7 times, 11 1 times, 11 7 times. So here we get 700 into 7, which is equals to r square. So here we get 4900. Now we apply square root on both the sides. The square root of 4900 would be 70, and r square, the square root of r square would be r. So here we get the radius r 70 meters. Now we will find out the circumference of a circle. Circumference of circle 2 pi r. 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 into 70. So here we get the circumference 440 meters. Next is question number 10. The figure given below shows 4 identical quadrants in a square. Find the area of the shaded part. We have to find the area of this part. It means we have to find the area of these 4 quadrants. This is a square, right? So this is 20, this is 20, and this is also 20. So what would be the radius of this quadrant? They are equal quadrants, right? It means that this length would be 10 because they are divided equally. So this length is 10, it means the radius of this quadrant is 10. So the radius of all 4 quadrants would be 10. So first we find out the area of first quadrant, then we will multiply it by 4 to find out the area of this shaded part. So area of quadrant is equals to pi r square divided by 4. The value of pi, we have to take the value of pi 3.14. So 3.14 into r means 10 into 10 divided by 4. So here we get the answer 78.5. When you solve this, so you get 78.5 centimeter square. Now the area of 4 quadrants, area of all 4 quadrants would be, these quadrants are identical, so we multiply this area by 4. So the area of shaded part, area of the shaded part, or you can say area of all 4 quadrants, would be 78.5 into 4. So here we get 314 centimeter square. Next question, question number 13. The area of 2 equal circles in the figure. See, these are 2 equal circles, and the area of both the circles is 308 centimeters square. And what we have to find? We have to find the area of the rectangle. So the area of these 2 circles is given. So first we find out the area of one circle. So area of a circle is equals to 308 divided by 2. So here we get 154 centimeter square. This is the area of this one and this one, right? Because both the circles have same areas. Now what we do, we will find out the diameter of a circle. So area of a circle is equals to pi r square. 154, area of circle is 154, and we'll take the value of pi 22 by 7. From here we'll find out the value of r. So here we get 49 is equals to r square, apply square root. So here we get the value of r, 7 centimeters, right? So this is radius, right? This is 7. So diameter would be, this total would be the diameter, right? So the diameter would be 14. This is 7, this is 7. So this whole is 14. Similarly, the diameter of the second circle would also be 14, right? So what would be the length of this rectangle? As you can see that this is 14 and this is also 14. So this length, this total length would be 28, right? So this total length would be 28. It means the length of a rectangle is 28. This part is 14 and this part is 14. So this total length would be 28. So this length and this length is equal. This is 28. So this would also be 28. It means The length of rectangle is 28. Now see, this is also a diameter, right? And the length of this diameter is 14. So what does it mean? That this is 14, it means this would also be 14, right? And this is the breadth of a rectangle. So here we get the length of rectangle. So length of rectangle, what we get here, 28 centimeters, and breadth of rectangle 14 centimeter. Now we find out the area of rectangle. That means length into breadth. That means 28 into 14. So what we get here, we get 392 centimeter square. So your exercise is finished. Your chapter is also finished. Complete all your math work. Do your work very neatly and do all the questions. This is it. Okay, student? Allah Hafiz.